Okay, in this video, I'm going to be running you through how to slice a dual color print for the Fablicator MX 3D printer. I'm going to start out by opening the KISSlicer program and hitting open. Now I'm going to just go into the sample STL files folder on the desktop and the dual extruder samples and then the dual color samples. I'm just going to use the dual color earth here, grab the top files, and for this you actually have to highlight both files at once to open them into the program, because otherwise you just choose one at a time, you're going to actually get them as separate files next to each other. So I'll just close those out. The next thing that I would do is go into the printer tab here, and you're going to want to make sure that it's set to dual material mode. And now if you right click on the actual STL files here along the right, you're going to want to go down to show mesh to extruder map. And this is where you actually set which part of the design will be printed with extruder 1 and extruder 2. And you'll see them change color there. Now I'm going to bring the profile settings back up. I'm going to go over to extruder map and choose my materials here, which are already set on PLA. That's what I'm going to use. You're going to want to go into the support tab, where you're going to want to make sure that the support is turned off, but you will also want to have this prime pillar only on for multicolored parts. This is because the extruders will clean themselves off on a tower next to your design, and that keeps any filament buildup from ruining the quality of your prints as they go. You'll also want to double check that the support bar here isn't turned up, because then you'll still actually have support turned on, even though you chose to not have it here. Okay, then I'm going to go over to the Style tab, and I'm going to choose the style for my print. I'm going to actually do this in coarse medium. Coarse is the layer thickness, and medium is the infill, which you can also change here. Then I'm going to hit slice. And then across the top here, you actually have this models and paths. And I turn on 3D. And you can actually look through. You can see how the print is going to look there. I'm going to hit save. A lot of people may actually have this set to slice and save, so you might have already saved the file when you hit slice. Mine is not. So I'm going to hit save here. Put that on the desktop. And then you can open that up in the Fablicator program. Let it load along the bottom. And once your printer is set up, hit print.